Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we dive into the life of Steve Kornacki, the numbers genius, data wizard, and political analyst whose khakis became a symbol of election night energy. He's the man who could turn county-by-county data into TV suspense, but after all the maps and madness, where is Steve Kornacki now? Let's find out. Steve Kornacki was born on the 22nd of August, 1979, in Groton, Massachusetts. After graduating from Boston University with a degree in political science, he started his journalism career covering politics for various outlets, including Salon and Roll Call. He joined MSNBC and became one of the most recognizable faces in American political media, known for his sharp analysis, endless energy, and his trademark khaki pants. During the 2020 U.S. election, Kornacki became a cultural phenomenon, with viewers glued to his big board breakdowns that explained complex results in real time. His work earned him widespread respect and even a nomination for an Emmy. After years as MSNBC's go-to political data expert, Kornacki began expanding his horizons. In 2025, he signed a new deal with NBC News and NBC Sports to serve as chief data analyst and contributor. This means he's no longer tied exclusively to MSNBC. Instead, he now appears across multiple NBC platforms, from Meet the Press and Today to major sporting events like the NFL playoffs, the Kentucky Derby, and even the Olympics. His love for numbers has found a home in both politics and sports, showcasing his incredible versatility. The transition wasn't about stepping back, it was about stepping wider. Kornacki wanted to bring his storytelling through data to different audiences. NBC recognized his talent for breaking down complex systems, whether votes or touchdowns, and gave him room to do both. His move also reflects how media is changing. Viewers now crave context and clarity, and Kornacki's ability to connect data with human stories makes him one of the most trusted figures on TV. Where is Steve Kornacki now? As of now, Steve Kornacki is based in New York City, actively contributing to both NBC News and NBC Sports. He's regularly featured during major events, helping audiences understand not just what's happening but why it matters. He continues to appear on air with his signature energy, fast-paced explanations, and deep insights into political and sports data alike. He's also branching into public speaking, including an upcoming commencement address at Marist University, showing that his influence extends far beyond television. Steve Kornacki went from being the election map guy to one of the most trusted data minds in media. His evolution from MSNBC analyst to NBC's chief data analyst proves that adaptability and passion can take a career in unexpected directions. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life stories on Where They Are Now.